I think the biggest scam in the world is university, in my opinion. I think it's
Yeah.
one of the most stupidest things, and this is coming from someone that's actually gone to university. I know most people give that opinion without even going. I'm telling people, I went to university. Obviously, my reasons were different. The reason I went to university was for my parents, right? They wanted someone to have a degree. They wanted their children to have a degree. I was the last child, so I kind of did that. I guess you can say they wish for them, right? But ultimately,
Yeah.
university is a waste of time. It's the biggest bullshit. It is a scam, right? Because you paying $9 grand a year, learning from people that aren't living the life that you want, to get a job that you're not going to like, and to pay back the loan that you took out in the first place, is
With
one of the
interest.
biggest scams that's out there. With interest, exactly. So it is pointless. It is like, and that's why I
And all
believe
that
like the
factors
online
in as
coaching
well.
space is better.
Yeah.
I personally
mean-
think universities are run by Masons.
They are. Like,
You know,
I had a-
you know,
I
in
had a
the
mate that I was
UK,
talking to.
they're teaching witchcraft as a subject.
Yeah, there you go. People can go out there and do research and just confirm this. Like everything is on Gemini, Google, ChatGPT, Claude. Like you guys have no excuses if you're listening.
100%.
Yeah.
And not only that, like even think about it, right? The way the university is, like if you understand the whole like history of it, the grades that they give you isn't because you're intelligent. I've said this a few times. When people get
Yeah.
A's and B's, they think they're intelligent, right? And it's
Certainly
not.
not.
You're not intelligent. If anything, you're a very good matrix employee. They look at you like, okay, cool, A star. You got an A star. You're a good employee. You're not intelligent. You're a good employee.
But
You're
also,
good at
that's how
remembering what they told you to
like you
remember.
got to do the homework. You got to do it every single day. Otherwise, you
100%.
get
And intelligence, in my opinion, isn't grades. Intelligent, in my opinion, is how you proceed in day-to-day life, right? Because that's what's intelligent. Like you can always Google book smart, but you can't Google street smart.
Hey guys, if you need any help where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description where it says work with me, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can actually help you.